This 2020 Forest River Salem FSX 210 RT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 4, LP detector, refrigerator, oven, smoke detector, air conditioning, awning, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, skylight, water heater, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Salem FSX 210 RT is 4,778 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.